Hello everyone, I'm REZA RAD and I want to explain to you about a new trip coming to India for this August. Quite exciting news, and I'm going to share this news with you. So Power BI from Rocky to Rockstar, the well-known course we do all around the world, now this time is coming to India, and we are delivering that as a one-day pre-com workshop for Data Platform Summit 2018 in Bangalore. I'm just explaining to you what you will expect in this. A little bit about me. I'm REZA RAD, Microsoft Data Platform MVP and Microsoft Regional Director. I'm based in Auckland, New Zealand, but traveling around the world in every different conferences, doing lots of workshops, trainings on Power BI, doing lots of consulting on Power BI. I'm also author of Power BI from Rocky to Rockstar book, which is available for free for everyone who wants to download. You can download it from Radisson website. We also publish a lot of articles in our website. These are my contact information in case you have any questions. In August 2018, I'm delivering a one-day full workshop about Power BI from Rocky to Rockstar, and we'll start with just a beginner level of Power BI. Then we very quickly will jump into intermediate and even more advanced level of Power BI. We'll talk about different things that you have in Power BI, like the get data component, the data modeling and DAX component of Power BI, and the visualization component of this. You will hear about some really top-end tips and tricks to get Power BI working, and most of these tips and tricks are coming from the blog that I'm writing in Radicad and the book that I have written as well. We will talk about special tips and tricks in DAX, like time intelligence. In Power Query, we'll talk about using parameters, making your queries more dynamic and parametric. In visualization, we'll talk about how to create the best visualization. We'll also talk about the gateways, administration, sharing Power BI content in different scenarios. We'll talk about methods of sharing and different ways that you can implement row-level security. So this workshop is one-day workshop, but the content of that is really full extensive content about Power BI. You will learn very advanced level information about Power BI, but starting from beginner level. Don't miss this opportunity. If you want to know more about these workshops, you can check out Radicad website, or you can check Data Platform Geeks website for more information. Most of the content coming from our my blog and my book, and I just provided some links for you to register. The link to the pre-conference workshops, registration link, the link to the conference itself is a very awesome conference, lots of great content, a lot of speakers coming from all different parts of the world, and hopefully we'll see you there. Thank you.